Welcome back. This is the Mash Attack. We're going to rip attack some packs today. We've got more Topps Chrome Premier League, and this is the hanger box, where you get 15 Chrome cards per box. It's one packet, I believe, and you can also get 2 exclusive Pineapple Glass parallels per box. What we're looking for, we haven't got an autograph yet. It'd be amazing to get one of those.
Really want them.
What would be, although you're not Lucky United background, what would be your favourite player to get today?
I think I would like a signature player.
Any signature. Right, well, fingers crossed. Let's attack the pack. That's what you get inside. You get one big packet, okay?
That is huge.
It is, isn't it?
With 15 cards inside.
Yeah,
So,
here we go.
let's go.
Moses, Casido.
Yep. Oh, pink.
Right, this is a parallel. And this is
There's
Raya,
only
and this
250.
250, so that's 44 of 250 of David Raya.